Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and there's a lot of traffic on Route 46 in front of my house, a lot of angry people. That's all that beeping noise. 46 is not that far. It's right there in front of my house. See it? That's Route 46 right there, and it's completely backed up for about a mile. So you got a lot of angry people in that traffic that are trying to get home. So that's pretty much what I'm dealing with. A lot of noise. You're going to hear beeping throughout it probably because those people are very aggressive. So anyway, this is a review of the Brite light that's seen on TV. I saw this in Home Depot. I bought it off Amazon, but I saw it. They had different sizes in Home Depot. They were more expensive than Amazon, but they were the same brand, same exact one, but they had like two different sizes, which I didn't know that. I didn't see that. I probably would have got the bigger size then on if I saw that on Amazon, but I didn't know. This size is the only one that came up. So let's see how bright it is. I think they do have, like I said, I'm pretty sure they had this one and one other big one in Home Depot, and maybe have more LEDs. This one's 300 lumens is what it says. So this is what the package says. You can get it motion activated if you want. Grade 4 or whatever, who cares. Oh, it's peel and stick, so it's stick on. So hopefully that stays on, because peel and stick in my house never really stays on. I usually screw everything in. So we'll peel and stick it and see if it works. Powerful COB LEDs, no tools, wiring, or outlet needed. Okay, so it just sticks. So here's the back of it, light where you need it. Like I said, this seems like a piece of garbage, but as long as it lasts a while, it's 300 lumens. I don't care about water resistant because it's in there. I got to get the AA batteries to even put it on. So this is just an unboxing, and then we'll come back and see what's up. So let's get this thing open, get the unboxing, get this done really quick, and open it up. So there's no directions or anything like that. I guess it's that simple to do. Here's the 3M double-sided tape that they give you. I recommend cleaning the surface before you do it. Oh, they do give you screw holes, so I'm probably going to screw mine in because I like things, you know, stuck in there. So open or close, you turn this, and then I guess you can open it. This is close, and then you can open it. It tells you what it is right there, open or open or close. So you can screw this in, which is cool. So they give you 3 little screws. I might use them if I can fit a screwdriver, a screw gun in there. If I can't, then I'm going to just use better screws. But I'm trying not to use better screws. I'll just use what comes with it because it's made for it, and why use my screws? Open, close, open, close. Okay, so this is the back. This popped out. Once batteries are installed, light will turn on and then come on when in dark and motion is detected. Oh, it says it senses when it's dark, which it's dark all the time in there. So we're going to get the batteries, we're going to pop this in, we're going to do a little review on what it looks like, and you're going to get to see what's up. So it just goes like that, like I said, and then kind of just slides. Where is it? Oh, what the hell? It went on fine before. Okay. There we go. Now it went on. I just, whatever. It went on now, fine. So now it's on. This is what it looks like, and you can see it says it senses when it's, it won't work motion if it's light outside, which is good, so it won't waste electricity. So these are the little screws that they give you. They are pretty tiny, but hopefully they'll work for what I need. I'll pre-drill probably in the wood because these look really cheap and I don't want them to strip. So I'm going to pre-drill just a tiny little hole and then screw it in, because how much grip do you really need for something this tiny and light? If it works with the 3M, I think it'll be fine. So, so that's it for the unboxing review. I'll be right back. We're going to do the installation, and probably then, like I said, within the hour we'll do it. I'm just gonna have some coffee and then pop it on, and then we'll do a video of the installation and what it looks like. All right, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Be right back. All right, everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. We are going to do the installation of that light, that little spotlight, that battery operated motion spotlight that I just bought. We're going to do an installation on it right here. It's not dark outside. Like I said, I was going to do it because I had things to do, so I'm doing it in the morning. So you're not going to get to see it actually spill outside the door, but you will be able to see it over here at least. I'll close the doors, tell you how dark, I'll show you how dark it is and how light it gets with that. Then I'll open up this door, turn off the light, behind me, and then you'll see what it looks like, the brightness and stuff like that. All right, so let's get the install. First, we're going to get the plate going. So I like the pre-drill stuff, but I got the plate going right here. So let me install that. So I'm going to try to install it the farthest this way, because like I said, I can't install it up here because, as you can see, the whole staircase fell, the whole ceiling fell down, and that's where the stairs are. So I can't really do much there, and I don't want to touch that because it doesn't look sturdy anyway. So I really don't want to mess with that too much, and you know, eventually we got to get that redone. So yeah, let's put this up. Yeah, it does say no tools required, but I like to screw stuff in knowing it's not going to come down. I have a lot of moisture that builds up in there, as you could tell from the wall. It doesn't get moldy and full of algae or anything like that, but I do get a lot of water in here, and you know, sometimes we do clean it if it gets dirty, but yeah, we get a lot of water in here, so that 3M tape I don't think is going to work good in damp locations. And that's where this is going to be a little bit damp, moist. It's not going to be wet, it's just going to be damp. So I don't think that's going to really hold that well. So the screws will hold well. And you can tell how damp it is because those are not galvanized screws. Those are just regular zinc screws. And I put a light in 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, I put in a light. And the screws were kind of rusted on the top. And that was only a year and a half, 2 years. So only a light shade of it. They weren't like, you know, dipped in wood or anything, but a little bit of moisture you could tell that they did have. So that's pretty much where I'm going to put it in right there. It's a very small, like, you can consider it a closet. I guess the size of a closet it would be. So that's where I'm putting it. So we're going to put the 3 AA batteries in here. So let's put them in. I'm going to return it if it's not that bright, and I'll order another one. I'll order a better one. Yeah, it looks like poo. Let's see how bright it is and see how much light it gives off. It doesn't look bright at all. I guess for $9.99, what do you want? So, oh, they do put a little rubber gasket, little rubber seal in here, as you can see. So they do put that in there to protect the batteries from moisture, which is cool, but nothing to protect the 3M strip. So let's snap-a-loo this on. Okay, it's snapped on. It does not look that bright at all, but let's see how bright it is. We're gonna, it's installed. You saw how quick that was to install it. There it is right there. So we're gonna shut the doors, okay, and we're gonna see how dark it gets, and then we're gonna move, and you're gonna see how bright it gets. So this is what that's my bootleg ceiling, but this is kind of the room that I'm dealing with. That I just want to light up the door area. I don't want to light up over there. But this is the size of the room that I'm dealing in. It's probably like what, 3.5 feet by 8 foot. Maybe it's a small little room, you know, where we store stuff, and that's it. And then there's the other doorway. So I'm gonna put this over here, I guess, because that's the farthest I can probably put it away. Because the door is right behind me. So like I said, it's not that dark out, so I can't really show you stuff that I want to show you, but this will give you the gist of it and see how bright it is. Okay, so let's turn off some lights here. Alright, so now we're going to close the door. And now we're going to test it out. Now you're going to see how good it's going to look. Because I saw it upstairs. I put the AA batteries in. And it freaking blew up like my eye, man. It was pretty bright, so now I can't complain. Let's see what's up. So, all right, ready? We're gonna close this again. We're gonna do this again with fresh batteries now. All right, let's wave my hand. Oh yeah, how's that? 20 seconds that stays on. Now we're talking. Look how bright that is. Okay, so that's nice. That's pretty good. I give it a thumbs up. It's bright. It's good. If the battery lasts a long time, I'm gonna be happy. This whole room is lit up in here. Oh my God, this is awesome. Look at this. Huh? Whole room is lit up. That's pretty cool. So this is what it looks like. This is how bright you can expect it to be. You're gonna walk over to the door, be able to, you know, use your key and all that other good mumbo jumbo. And let's close this door. I'll show you how much spills out. That's how much spills out. Look at that. It's pretty bright. You can even see a little tiny bit up the stairs. Not all the way up, but you could see a little bit up the stairs. Let's close this door. And that's how much spills out. That's how much spills out all the way over here. Okay, with that door closed. Look how bright you got it in there. There's my timer for my outside, and that's it. So, that's it for that. That's it for Glen Velvet reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me in my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community and everyone else. Like, I get help from the community, and it's great. So, everyone, I'm out. Be safe. Later.